زمون زمون د نن د کلتوري ورځې د ایونټ ګران مشر عامر احمد اتوزی صاحب، Honorable State Assembly member from New Jersey, Shama Haider Sahiba, Raj Kumar, she already left, and unfortunately on 11th hour I just got the call from her office from Salajas that she was sick, but from her office staff, Rehan is there and he will be with us. So from my end to all of you coming to our program, welcome you all at this special occasion, and welcome you all to our program. The Khyber the غرونو زلمو شاه زلمو تاسو ټولو ته هرکلی او درناوی وایم په نن پروګرام کې، او خوشحال یو چې نن موږ د خپل د پروګرام زموږ چې کوم دا پروګرام د 13 کاله مخکې شروع کړی و او د هغې نن یو سکسسفل موږ ایونټ ته کلیزه موږ 13مه کلیزه 18 celebration of Pashtun culture day we are celebrating. I will be touching little Urdu, little English because we have mixed audience here. First of all, we have some
honorable guest, Consul General of Pakistan, Amir Khan Atouzai Saib, very great and very close to us. Assembly woman, Miss Solajis, she's not here. Shama Haider and Miss Raj Kumar, Jennifer Raj Kumar, and distinguished guests, my friends, my elders, my youngsters, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. We understand this today is the time for the families. It's a weekend and we understand that this is the time we should spend with the families. And thank you very much that you spare some time for us. You came and gave us the honor. Thank you very much on behalf of Khyber Society. I would like to say thank you very much, and God bless you all. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and your families with good regards, Khyber Society.
Before, every year I introduce the Pakistan Independence Resolution on the floor of the state legislature. And don't forget, I am the first state representative every year to spearhead a 5-borough Ramadan Iftar tour all across New York City. So don't forget to send me invitations to your iftar dinners so that I may be there. We are an unstoppable community, and I want to ask you for some favor for me, one gift for me, and that is please send me all of your children so that I can make them as powerful as they can be. Because we are rising. Tahir Khan.
Tahir Khan said, Taso State Karachi, Tahir Khan said, Board of Director.
Mohammed Nasir.
That's me. I'm already here.
Mohammed Jamshed Khan.
Dr. Jamshed Khan, I think.
Rehana Makeen Khan.
She's here.
Taj Akbar.
Taj Akbar Lala, Board of Director, Taj Akbar Lala. State Karachi.
Abdullah Khan.
Abdullah Khan, Board of Director.
Bahadur Shah.
Bahadur Shah Lala, Board of Director.
Jamal Ahmed.
Jamal Ahmed, Jamal Khan.
To promote their own culture, values and tradition. And we are proud because this moment Pakhtun Khyber society has never had this kind of events that they have 3 elected assemblywomen, which is one is not here, but she promised that she would come. And on the other side, the huge members of the community, ladies, that we had a perception that the Pashtun culture has not coming the women's, but today we are here. Now I was told to say a few words about the Pashtun culture in Urdu, so here I am. मुअज़्ज़िज़ ख़वातीन और हज़रात, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि आज हम पख्तून कल्चर डे मना रहे हैं। 23 सितंबर 2017 को कोयटा बलूचिस्तान में एक आलमी कल्चर सेमिनार का अहतमाम किया गया, जहां ये तय पाया कि हम हर साल पाकिस्तान में और दुनिया भर में जब किसी फोर्स या जबर की मोहताज नहीं और ना ही किसी लिखे हुए कायदे कानून की पाबंद नहीं। इंसानी दिल में धड़कने वाले ख्वाब, आंखों में उतरने वाली रोशनी, ज़बान से पैदा होने वाले लफ्ज़ और उसके कदमों से जन्म लेने वाली रिवायत। सकाफत किसी भी कौम की वो धुन है जो नस्लों को उंगली से पकड़े हुए ज़माने की सैर और मूड करती चली आती है। बसाई नहीं जाती, ये बसती है। वो वक्त के कान में आहिस्ता से कहती है, तुम गुजर जाओगे, मैं रह जाऊंगी। जो न सिर्फ मुख्तलिफ रंगों हम यहाँ जमा तारीख कब से कहाँ से शुरू हुई, मैं इस बारे में बहुत सी रिवायतें मुझे हैं, मैं बजाय इसके जाने के लिए हैं सर वार्ड बर्टन। ये 1879 से 1898 तक जो हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं पॉलिटिकल एजेंट, उस ज़माने में कहा जाता था पॉलिटिकल ऑफिसर। ये अच्छा, यहाँ पर ज़रा कंफ्यूजन है कि 2 मोंटगोमरी है, एक सर रॉबर्ट मोंटगोमरी है और एक है रॉबर्ट मोंटगोमरी मार्टिन। ये जो सर है ये हमारे यहाँ 1879 से 1898 तक पंजाब के लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर रहे। ये जो सख्तगीर थे, इसका क्रेडिट ये है, इसकी खिदमत ये थी कि इन्होंने रेलवे और ये नहरी आबपाशी के सिलसिले में बड़ा काम किया, जिसके सिले में उस वक्त साहिवाल का नाम बदल कर
For those who don't know me, I'm going to speak in English so everybody understands. For those who don't know me, my name is Shama Haider and I represent District 37 in New Jersey, which is just along George Washington Bridge, 10 towns along George Washington Bridge. Each district has about 250,000 people. And I have the privilege of being the first Muslim and the first Pakistani to be elected to the New Jersey Assembly. That was 4 years ago. I just got re-elected to my 3rd term. And the good news is, 2 years ago, 2 more Muslims were elected. One is a Palestinian gentleman and the second is a Pakistani. So Pakistanis are doing good. But it's not enough. We need more people to participate in the fabric of American society by running for office and holding office. We need people to run for every level of office. Board of Education, Council, Commissioner, Assembly, Congress, Senator, and maybe inshallah one day President. But you all are doing a fantastic job with the Khyber Society. You're preserving the culture, you're making all of the American society aware of Pashtun culture. This is a very important task, and this program of providing a livelihood, that is it's so much better than just handing out cash to somebody. You're really uplifting a whole family and probably many more behind them, and I congratulate you for that. But you all live here, so you must also participate in the society here. And the best way to participate is to become a member of the society by running for office. It's only with your representation that this community, our community, will be uplifted. So thank you so much for inviting me, Mr. Nasir. Thank you so much for having me, everyone. But please, please pay real attention to that, because that's how all resources in this country are distributed. By your participation in the census, in the voting, that's how data is collected and resources are distributed. And we want more and more resources for our wonderful society and our community. Thank you so much. God bless America, and Pakistan Zindabad. So much. A woman can never have enough shawls.
Thank you very much. اتوزے صاحب د پاره هم یو شال دی صادر دی او زمونږه د پښتنو د روایت مطابق ټوپه ده تالیاں جی
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم نحمدہ و نصلی علی رسول الکریم اما بعد انتہائی قابل قدر زمان لالا انتہائی محترم اسمبلی وومن شمع حیدر صاحبہ ہماری کمیونٹی کے آرگنائزیشنز کے ہیڈز خواتین و حضرات السلام علیکم and a very good evening to you all. وہی پشتو میں ہے کہ استاد خائص گلو نڈیر دی استاد خائص گلو نڈیر دی جولائی متنگ زبکم کم ٹولاوما. It's a couplet that I recited in Pashto, which means the poet is addressing his beloved, saying that you are so charming, you are so arrestingly charming, so beautiful, that the aroma and flowers of your beauty are so many that I don't have a place to hold them. So that fits onto the very existence of Khyber society. Their deeds, their record, their work, the way they have been contributing to the welfare of people back home and also to the social fabric of society here, irrespective of creed, color or religion. That is not just highly commendable but highly appreciable. So my sincere commendation and appreciation for the President and all the office bearers of Khyber society for the highly commendable work that they have been doing since their existence. So ladies and gentlemen, please a big round of applause. Why did I say that? Because I've been in close touch with them. We have been meeting and I've been getting to know about the good work that they have been doing. It's not just the social welfare that they have been involved in. Whether there are floods back home, whether there are earthquakes, whether there are circumstances beyond human control, there is some damage back in Pakistan, they always stand up, they stand united, they get together and they help their brothers and sisters back in Pakistan. So bravo and 2 thumbs up for you. My friend talked about the collaboration of Pakistan Consulate with Khyber Society. So let me reassure all of you, all other organizations, that the Consulate General of Pakistan is your second home. The doors are open. My office is your office. You can get to me. I'm accessible 24/7. We are here to serve you without any restriction, without any discrimination. and we'll be by your side if you have any thought, any project for the welfare of the community out here or back in Pakistan. You can count on us, and we are there to serve you to any limit. Now, being a Pashtun myself, I would like to turn to Pashto. Wai banda manam khuda bandiano bandagi na manam. Banda manam khuda bandiano bandagi na manam. Azad Pukhtuniyam zapazan se pabandi na manam. Bia wai che zama riwaj, zama kultur, zama pagdai ba mane. زما رواج زما کلتور زما پگڑائی به منه درست جهانا د پختون خړه شړې به منه. So since now it's a day of celebrating Pashtun culture, being a Pashtun myself, as I said, and few couplets that I recited, that is an expression of the Pashtun soul, the kind of people we are. If I have to explain to you or give you a gem, and it is binding upon you that you have to help your neighbors, come what may, whether they are constructing a building or they are in the field, cutting the crop or anything. Likewise, we have Nanawati. Nanawati means, you have an enemy who has done a lot of irreparable damage to you in terms of finance and human lives. But if he comes to your hujra or your home, you have to forgive him without any conditions. I love that. Likewise, Path, you have to be full of that sense of respecting your brethren and people living in your surrounding and your family, come what may. Likewise, there is another concept of mlatar, that you have to be there by the side of your friends and cousins or anybody known to you in times of adversity without any preconditions. So this is, a beautiful concept that I believe we should introduce everywhere, because it is all about inclusivity. It is about doing welfare without any discrimination. So I'm highly grateful to the Khyber Society for having invited me here. Or again, all the office bearers, who taso chikam matlab dalta the diversity da, or I can see faces from each nook and corner of the New York City. That's a wonderful job, because I can see everybody having come from everywhere. No, tasu der zyat khare tahsin pesh kom zaman lala da para tasu chikam the falah karuna di da ge da para aw pade koshish bande chitasu khalak ra gundabe da ittihad paniyat pa khulus bande aw da falah paniyat no zamane taraf tasu tolo gaduta aw tolo margaruta ډیره مبارکي الله خاط لرا آبادو سه او زمانه طرفه ستاسو د پاره ستاسو د کوروال طرفه د کوروالا ته هم او د وړو ته هم ټول ته دعاګانې سلامونه. And specifically I would like to make a mention of the most respected and beautiful women that we have, our sisters with us who have today made it here. It is adding more beauty to the gathering. So thanks for being here today, and be shoulder to shoulder with your men and anything you do and anything you aim at. So I thank you all for being here today. Since I'm the last speaker, so I would not wish to block, the way between you and the dinner. So I wish you more strength, more power, more happiness to all of you, to you and your families. May Allah bless you all. Pakistan Zindabad.